Judge mocks teenager in court, shocked to learn he's a genius attorney in disguise. Imagine walking into a courtroom expecting to see seasoned lawyers in suits. And instead, a teenager walks in wearing sneakers, a plain t-shirt, and holding a briefcase. The judge laughs. The audience laughs. Even the prosecutor chuckles. But by the end of the day, no one's laughing. Because that kid, he's about to destroy the entire case and expose a secret no one saw coming. Meet Marcus Hall, just 17 years old. Most teens are worried about school dances and final exams. Marcus? He graduated high school at 12, law school by 15. Passed the bar on his first try at 16. Now, standing in front of a skeptical courtroom, he's about to defend a woman accused of a serious federal crime. Elena James, a single mother and office assistant, charged with embezzling over $500,000 from a corporate bank account. The prosecution says she used her access to reroute funds. The evidence looks overwhelming. Security footage, bank logs, emails. Everyone thinks it's a clear-cut case. Everyone except Marcus. Judge, sarcastic. And you are? Marcus. Marcus Hall, defense counsel, Your Honor. Judge, laughing. I see. Where's the real attorney? Your dad drop you off at the wrong building? The courtroom laughs. Marcus doesn't. He calmly hands his license and credentials to the bailiff. Graduated from UCLA Law School. Clerked for a district court. Published in legal journals. He's 100% legit. And suddenly, the room gets quiet. Marcus had been following the Elena James case for months. He found inconsistencies in the timeline. He noticed files missing from the public case. He believed something was off. Now, with Elena facing 25 years in prison, Marcus begins dismantling the case. Marcus, in court, Your Honor, the prosecution's footage is edited. Look closely. Timestamps jump. He highlights that the security footage skips 43 seconds, right when the alleged transaction took place. Then he questions how Elena could access a terminal she wasn't even authorized to log into. Marcus. And yet, the logs say her credentials were used? Sounds like a setup. But then, Marcus plays his trump card. He worked with a digital forensics expert who recovered deleted metadata from company emails. The court watches as he projects evidence live on screen. Emails between the company's CFO and a high-level IT technician, a conversation about falsifying access logs, a plan to frame Elena because she had discovered accounting fraud and was going to report it. Marcus exposes it all, in front of the entire courtroom. Objection, Your Honor. This wasn't submitted in discovery. Judge, firm. Overruled. I want to see where this goes. The judge watches in disbelief as Marcus breaks down the entire plot. How Elena's login was cloned, how the money was rerouted temporarily to her name, and how the real thief, the company's CFO, tried to pin it on her. By the end, there's only one person sweating, and it's not Marcus. The jury only needed 45 minutes. Foreperson. We find the defendant not guilty on all charges. Elena breaks down in tears. Even the judge stands up and addresses Marcus personally. Judge, humbled. Mr. Hall, I owe you an apology. I judged you by your age, not your mind. What you did today was extraordinary. Marcus, quietly. Justice doesn't come from age or a title, Your Honor, just the truth. The court erupted in applause. News stations across the country picked up the story. Teen genius lawyer destroys fraud case in courtroom showdown. 17-year-old attorney outsmarts judge and prosecutor in real case. Marcus refused TV interviews. He said he didn't want fame. He just wanted to make sure Elena got her life back. Later that year, he launched a non-profit legal defense fund focused on helping those wrongfully accused. They mocked him when he walked in. But when the truth came out, they stood in awe. Marcus proved that age doesn't define ability, and justice belongs to those who fight for it, no matter how old they are. So the next time someone underestimates you, let them. Just make sure they regret it. End screen. Call to action. Like this story? Tell us in the comments. What would you do if you were in Marcus's shoes? Subscribe for more unbelievable true stories every week. Judge mocks. Teenager in court, shocked to learn he's a genius attorney in disguise.